Palantir shares are on fire. The stock just skyrocketed by an incredible 22% after the company delivered blockbuster earnings and a bullish outlook for the future. Investors were quick to react as the company reported fourth quarter earnings and revenue that not only beat Wall Street estimates, but also showcased the company's strong trajectory heading into the new year. But what's fueling this massive surge? And what does it mean for investors? Let's break it all down in detail. First up, let's dive into the numbers. Palantir crushed Wall Street expectations with its earnings per share coming in at 14 cents, far exceeding the expected 11 cents. Revenue came in at an impressive $828 million, surpassing the projected $776 million. The company didn't stop there. Palantir also provided a stronger than expected revenue forecast for the first quarter of 2025, estimating revenue between $858 million and $862 million, while analysts were expecting around $799 million. For the full year 2025, the company expects sales to land between $3.74 billion and $3.76 billion, significantly ahead of the consensus estimate of $3.52 billion. This kind of revenue guidance indicates confidence in future growth and suggests that Palantir sees sustained demand for its software solution. So, what's driving this exceptional performance? CEO Karp has been vocal about the role artificial intelligence is playing in transforming the company's growth. He described Palantir's position at the center of the AI revolution, highlighting how their early insights into the commoditization of large language models have shifted from theory to reality. AI adoption has become a crucial growth driver, with enterprises and government agencies increasingly relying on Palantir's software solutions to handle massive amounts of data efficiently. Palantir's revenue growth has been significant, increasing by 36% compared to the same period last year, when it stood at $608.4 million. For the full year, the company saw a 29% increase in sales, demonstrating the accelerating demand for its data analytics capabilities. Karp, in his letter to shareholders, emphasized the strong momentum the company is witnessing across both its commercial and government segment. He called it unlike anything the company has seen before, reinforcing the idea that Palantir's software solutions are becoming indispensable in both the public and private sectors. The breakdown of revenue growth further highlights Palantir's expanding reach. U.S. commercial revenue soared 64% year over year to $214 million, a substantial leap that showcases increasing enterprise adoption of Palantir's software. At the same time, U.S. government revenue saw a full 45% increase, reaching $343 million. The company expects its U.S. commercial sales to grow at least 54% in 2025, reaching around $1.08 billion. This projection indicates that the private sector is now a major driver of Palantir's revenue growth, which could be a game changer for its long-term financial performance. Artificial intelligence has been the hottest topic in tech, and Palantir is capitalizing on this momentum. Ever since OpenAI released ChatGPT in late 2022, generative AI has sparked an industry-wide transformation, and Palantir has positioned itself as a leader in providing AI-powered enterprise solutions. Karp has continuously emphasized that Palantir is uniquely poised to help American companies navigate this AI-driven transformation. In a recent interview, he even stated that the company's primary objective is to bolster the U.S. and its technological advancement. There have been concerns in the market about China's rapid progress in AI development, particularly regarding DeepSeek, which caused significant volatility in financial markets last week. Many investors fear that China's advancements in AI could intensify global competition and force companies like Palantir to invest even more heavily in research and development. Karp addressed these concerns by stating that technology is not inherently good or bad. It depends on how it is used. He stressed the importance of maintaining an all-country effort to stay ahead in the AI race, reinforcing Palantir's commitment to national security and enterprise. Investors who have been holding Palantir stock over the past year have been handsomely rewarded. In 2024, the company's stock soared by an astonishing 340%, reflecting both strong financial performance and growing investor confidence in its AI-driven future. Additionally, Palantir achieved major milestones by being added to both the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100, further validating its importance in the tech sector. Analysts have had mixed reactions to Palantir's explosive growth. On one hand, many see it as a strong long-term bet due to its dominance in AI and government contracts. On the other hand, skeptics argue that the stock's high valuation could pose risks, especially in an increasingly competitive AI landscape. With more companies racing to develop and deploy AI-driven solutions, Palantir will have to continue innovating to maintain it. So the big question remains, will Palantir sustain this momentum, or is this rally driven primarily by AI hype? The company's strong financials and expanding market presence suggest that it has a solid foundation for long-term growth. However, investors should keep an eye on broader AI trends, competition, and potential macroeconomic factors that could influence the stock's trajectory in the coming months. What do you think? Will Palantir continue its meteoric rise, or is this just a temporary AI-fueled rally? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to subscribe for more breaking news, stock analysis, and AI trends. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.